Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're checking out a drone that blends professional camera performance with ultra-lightweight portability, the SKYROVER X1 Fly More Combo. If you've been searching for a compact drone that still delivers long flight time, ultra-stable 4K video, and massive transmission range, this is one you'll want to pay attention to. Right away, the SKYROVER X1 stands out with its under 249 g weight class. That means it's incredibly travel-friendly and easy to pack, but still strong enough to carry a high-quality 4K video camera capable of producing crisp, detailed footage, along with 8K photo capability for high-resolution still images. Whether you're shooting landscapes, travel vlogs, or aerial creative content, the X1 gives you sharp detail and smooth footage thanks to its advanced stabilization system. This Fly More combo is all about endurance. You get 3 batteries, giving you a total of 96 minutes of flight time, which means more flying, more recording, and far fewer breaks. For creators, explorers, and beginners who want to maximize time in the air, this is a huge benefit. The next headline feature is its incredible 50,000 foot transmission distance. This gives you a huge amount of freedom to explore wide open spaces, capture distant shots, and maintain a stable connection even in challenging environments. Combined with its intelligent return-to-home system, you always have a safety net in case the signal drops or the battery gets low. The foldable design makes it perfect for travel, hiking, or everyday shooting, and the lightweight build keeps it easy to handle for new pilots. Despite being beginner-friendly, the drone includes advanced features like intelligent flight modes, auto-stabilization, follow functions, and precise hovering to help you get cinematic shots without effort. If you're looking for a drone that offers long battery life, pro-level imaging, long-distance transmission, and ultra-portable design all in one package, the SKYROVER X1 Fly More combo is absolutely worth checking out. If you want more tech reviews and top gadgets every day, be sure to subscribe. And if this drone fits your needs, go ahead and grab yours today.